Spring is in the air, and in colder parts of the country, that means one thing. Swim season is almost upon us. It's time to bring your pool back to life after months of sitting still. And if you're in a warmer climate where pool days never really end, spring still serves as a perfect reset point, a chance to give your pool a deep clean and refresh your water chemistry. So whether you're opening your pool or just tuning things up, let's dive into why it matters.
Most pool problems in the spring actually happen sometime during the winter time. So the timing of opening up your pool is really important. You don't want to just look at the calendar. You want to wait for the outside temperatures to be somewhere between 60 and 70 or a little higher, because the water temperature is going to change. And as your water gets warmer, algae begins to bloom. Scale starts to form. Cleanup begins to get tougher. So opening up your pool in spring is crucial. It's your first chance to get that water balanced and happy.
The first step for balancing your water chemistry is to check the pH, carbonate alkalinity, calcium hardness, temperature, and total dissolved solids, as well as cyanuric acid. All of that information will feed into what is called the Langular Saturation Index, or LSI.
So the LSI is a series of tests that you can perform so that you know where your water is. Is it corrosive? Is it scale forming? Or is it balanced? And the results of the LSI will tell you what to adjust to swing that water back to being happy or balanced.
HASA is a premier producer of high-quality liquid chlorine at a 12.5% concentration strength. The HASA and Orenda brands have proudly come together to making access to safe, clean, and clear water the standard of pool care. As a HASA subsidiary, Orenda is your go-to resource for specialty chemicals and pool chemistry education.
While every pool owner should feel comfortable testing their water and cleaning their pool, it can be tricky. So best practices are you should call in a pool pro when necessary.
If you still have questions about your water chemistry, you can visit HASA's AI assistant at crystalpool.com. And as always, designspaces.tv.